Hi, I'm Norma Valley. Welcome to Tool School. With my friends at Liquid-Plumr, we're offering tips for the do-it-yourselfer in all of us. All it takes is your smarts, the right tools, and there's no stopping you. Let's get to it. Does your garbage disposal smell like garbage? Well, think about all the stuff that goes in there. You really want to clean this thing and make it smell fresh. Oh, and ice and lemon peels, they aren't exactly designed to do that. However, Liquid-Plumr Disposal Plus Drain Foaming Cleaner really does the trick. Just turn on a hot, thin stream of water, drop in a power pack, turn on the disposal, and watch the foam work its magic. Ah, citrusy. Here's to taking matters into your own hands. Visit liquidplumr.com or their Facebook page for more tips.